Hi, this is Itier from Bimser International, and in this video, you will learn how to manage your purchasing operations efficiently thanks to BIM. Let's get started. The purchasing module is one of the optional modules on BIM. It is really useful if we are using BIM to manage the inventory, because whenever we are running low on any item, we will receive a notification saying we need to start a new purchasing operation. Let's suppose the number of belts recorded in the system is below the safety stock level. I am going to create a purchase request to take care of it. I'll select that we need to receive them by next week, that I am a purchasing manager, that the belts are needed in the production department, that it is something urgent, and that we need them in the warehouse number 1. Under the materials section, we have to select the belts we want to purchase, how many of them we need, and we can also include how much we're willing to pay for them. The total section in the bottom will be updated with any items we add here. We could upload a document or write a note before saving the purchase request. Typically, another user will review the request and add the offers received from different vendors. Let's create an offer from this last request. I am simply going to choose the vendor which made the offer, show you that the Materials tab includes those 20 belts I requested, and save the offer. To see this offer, I have to change the current filter to show all the purchasing requests. Usually, the requests have to be approved, the offers have to be evaluated, one of them is selected, and finally the purchase order is created. BIM can accommodate any workflow process thanks to EVA's workflow capabilities. In this video, I'll just go ahead and create a purchase order directly. I'll start by selecting the vendor and the payment method, and then I can take a look at the materials to be ordered. Companies could provide discounted prices depending on the volume of the purchase, and just like that, the order is added to the system. I am going to show you some of the steps I skipped for demo purposes. The offer list submenu is where the offers from the different vendors are collected. The request for offer evaluation could be another step in the purchasing process, just like the review of the offer evaluation list. Finally, the orders that have been submitted can be found under the order list menu. Now we just have to wait for the order to be delivered and record in the system the receipt of those items. Once everything is verified, the inventory levels will be updated. Just like with every other module, the Purchasing Management module can be configured under the Definitions menu, and we can obtain reports and create graphs from the data stored on BIM. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn how to transfer materials between warehouses to avoid new purchasing operations, make sure to watch this next video.